So you may find yourself in the situation where you just want to capture a small improvement. Let's say that we're going along and what we've done here is we've added this new line. Let me just, So I want to share with you a quick and easy way to make a small improvement to a library board so that next time you go to run that improvement will be captured. This is different from when you've had a lot of changes and you want to use the Save to Library button. But if there's just one button, one improvement to make, then it's an easy way to do that. Let's come in and say as we've gone along, we've writing the ad and we've written the copy and we've done the image, and in actual fact we want to get it review with team member, so I want somebody else to have a look at it. I really like this and I'll go ahead and that worked and got done, so all of these were done. But if I don't capture it back in the library, then it won't happen. If you come up to the top here, then we can come through and this is going to take us directly to the library. I can simply click edit and then come through and add in that task at this point. Next time we go to run this, then it will be available to be there. Let's have a look at that. I'm going to save it back to my library and then run this one and with extra line, just so I can tell for demonstration purposes. We're going to create run, and now as that has duplicated and copied, ready for use, we'll come in and what we're going to see here is that that has been made, that this review with team member has been captured. This also means that if you don't want to capture an improvement, you can just let it go through with the board without capturing it. But if you do, then this little tag up here will open into the library, allowing you to quickly edit and capture that improvement.